Yeah. Wait. Yeah, it is better.
Cheers to you.
So I think it has champagne and
White
wine. Yeah, white wine. I think that's it.
It's not too bad.
I was expecting you to be like, ugh.
It's different than, it's not as strong as the other ones.
Yeah, yeah.
It's not as bitter,
Yeah.
but it's not too far from how wine tastes.
You think?
Yeah.
Yeah. Your camera has like these stripes, like black and is
Yeah,
that normal?
It's like normal. Yeah, it's normal. It's telling you some parts of it is overexposed, but because it's in auto, it's fine.
Oh, okay, okay. I don't understand nothing of
But
that.
I think I'm good now.
Yeah, you don't want more?
Is it bad to waste wine here?
So you can see why it's amazing, like the beach in the mountain.
This is so beautiful. So surreal. Got your foot stink. I'm so cold. Oh.
Very medieval.
Ooh.
So this is like what you call the old town.
Oh, okay.
Oh. Yeah, and now it's kind of cloudy, but the sunset is really beautiful.
So it's people from here, right? Because do tourists come here?
Yeah, a lot.
Really?
Yeah, I know. It's like this music is kind of pink. Did you film a lot of the driving?
Play boo. Don't go in with it. No. Hey boo, do you want to fake? Do you want to fake?
Like it?
That's an interesting taste.
You never tried it. Ever. This one. The one in the middle. Yeah. So what you're yumming comes from those two. Look at her. This dog is the love of my life.
She is.
This dog is the love of my life. He is. I have nothing for you. But look at her looking for something. And I still never to the ponies. You've never seen one? First time Chantal is seeing. How do you say this in English? So you have done a lot of first times.
Yeah, all
I just don't know how they're not caught, with all these feathers. Yeah. Yeah.
Vamos para trás do café. Sim, eu tenho trago. Os cafés forem já, posso trazer já.
Like, could you lift up the rice for me?
I think you will really like them.
Good consistency. Let me try it again. Isn't bad. And it's actually cooked well. Their packaging honestly is just really good. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so soft. The outside. And this is a pork. You don't say. I think this is avocado. Smells like avocado, and I think this is either cucumbers or zucchini. I don't know if I'm a huge fan of zucchini. I've actually never tried zucchini before, but I'm gonna take the bite. It looks really good. It looks really good. Okay. The pork is very tender, and the zucchini or cucumber, I think it's cucumber, it complements the pork well. And then the sauce, I think it's barbecue sauce. It's nice. Chop chop.
Volta para a semana, e para a semana, e para a semana. Esta agora é a tua família, esta agora é a tua casa, estás sempre bem-vindo. No final, depois de saíres, podes falar com a nossa equipa que está no foyer, que tem todo o prazer em esclarecer as dúvidas, em pôr-te em contacto com nós, com a nossa família, em pôr-te em contacto